Fun videos.
I'm trying not to sit here and eat cheese because I love cheese.
Oh, that's okay. Good protein.
Yeah. And calcium. Oh, that's another thing I like. There's osteoporosis.
What did the doctor say on my slip? I have osteoarthritis. No. Osteoarthritis. It was something.
Nutritious and delicious.
And do you like cheese on hamburger?
Put that on there.
Yeah. This one, Colby. Steve is
No, she wasn't. She was hoping to come on Easter, but it was too close to her.
I'm gonna tell Mom.
She was supposed to be serving the next day and got canceled. But anyway, so she was.
So you know now?
Roxanne, have you cooked the hot dogs yet?
Yeah,
It's like, I guess some people after this was done, they have them get,
I think I would
so
just
far.
yeah, let's do one. And you know, it's very hard when everybody is building